All right, guys, I got a little installation tip for you guys. I'm putting that plenum on that we made on video the other day. Basically, what I got is it's the you can see the insulation in there. So what I did was I made the plenum slide over the sides of the coil cabinet about 3/4 of an inch lower, and I'll just fix it to that instead of going with the flanges and screwing it to the top here. But that just gives me a flush fit insulation job. But anyway, what I was trying to tell you is there's 2 screws in my way, and what I like to do is I like to remove this screw and try to measure it out and punch a hole in the same exact spot so I can reuse the screw back, and it looks really nice. It won't be all hacked up and stuff. So I can't do this with one hand, so I'll put you on pause for just a second and I'll bring you right back when I get it done. All right, guys, I got that in there, and as you can see, it looks really nice. And basically what you do is you just level up your plenum after you get your furnace level, and this lip here comes down and it'll be all sealed up. So looks pretty nice. Looks a lot better than trying to screw through here and having a screw underneath there, and it'll be all warped and wavy and all that stuff. So just a little tip, thought I'd share that with you guys. So have a good day. I'm out.